Well, the quest for the Southeast to produce Nigeria's president in 2023 has received what seems to be a major boost from the Pan-Yoruba socio-cultural group Afenifere, the Pan-Niger Delta Forum and the Middle Belt Forum. Representatives of the organizations want the next president to come from the Southeast in the interest of justice, equity and fairness. Arise correspondent Tunji Olanipekun put together this report.
Traditional rulers, religious leaders, captains of industry, politicians and youth groups, all from the southeast of Nigeria, are here for one reason: the 2023 presidency. This event is called the Greater Nigeria Conference, and here presidential aspirants from the southeast are presented to show that the southeast has the right candidate to lead the nation after President Buhari. Speakers highlight the reason the Igbo nation should produce the next president, but not without knocks for the present government.
By 2023, General Muhammad Buhari would have spent 8 years as president, commander-in-chief of the armed forces. It is only fair and equitable that the position of president is occupied by a Nigerian not of Buhari's zone. We have always said that the South should be left to decide which zone from the South should occupy the presidency in 2023.
The clamor for a president from the Southeast geopolitical zone is supported strongly and firmly by me. Let us do what is right. Let us accommodate one another. Let us be fair to one another.
Let us focus. I am appealing to South candidates who are showing themselves, Wike and others. They are not helping the issue. They are helping the North. However capable Wike and think he is, that fight now is supporting the North. It is a way to divide us, just as they are giving debates to Jonathan. All of them are not going to support them.
Leaders from the zone say they are ready to take up the challenge and unite to win the presidency.
Without equity and justice, without inclusiveness, without mutual respect among the component units of this society, the future is bleak for Nigeria. All parts of Nigeria have woken up to the fact that they have equal rights and therefore equal stakes in the Nigerian enterprise. Therefore, no group is willing to sit at the sharing table and watch others gorge themselves on the fruits of our patrimony and not partake.
When you look at these men and women, you begin to ask yourself, those who say we have no capacity to rule Nigeria, capacity is here today. Integrity is here today. Vision for a greater Nigeria is on display here today. And the correct spirit to drive our country from the precipice to the higher heights where we belong, to in the community of nations. We are on parade here today.
The debate continues as there is no clear indication that the two major parties are inclined to zone or microzone the presidency to the southeast.